Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to hide shipping methods for specific variants in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the variance titles condition. So first, we'll search for variance titles in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 combination to continue. After adding the variance titles, you'll see a drop-down with several options. Exact match, partial match, starts with, ends with. Exact match. Hide if the variance titles exactly matches what you entered. Partial match. Hide if the variance titles contains the entered titles anywhere in it. Starts with, hide if the variance titles begins with the entered titles. Ends with, hide if the variance titles ends with the entered titles. For this example, we choose if found and select the partial match, then enter the variant titles beige. Now set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the shipping methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should only be displayed when the variant titles is beige. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is visible because the variant title is not beige. Now let's add the wooden spin beige and check again. As you can see, the free shipping is hidden now. That's it. This is how you can hide shipping methods for specific variants. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!